Base class.
Racing area.
So punta diri sa Canasoan. Second leg of Motor Race Series 2025 Visayas. Tora gibuyan na.
Okay, pa.
All shot.
Palayo ta, pagi be.
Outside. Anton Cortez ikaw na. Allah. Hey! Tumpang dua. Cortez on the lead, James Sanson, Kawa Galila, Kobe Chavez.
Holding the first position from Honda Philippines. That is Anton Cortez.
So, nakaunay sa Anton Cortez.
Galila.
Grabe, kadanlog na race track guys.
Waiting area, open and through. Get ready.
Wow, Anton Cortez on the lead. K9 Choy. Allah, wow! Kobe Chavez.
Ayan, Honda Philippines pa rin ang una. Nasa pangalawa, nag-sponsor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Honda tanan.
Galila for the third and...
Pogang lang, Choy! Danlog kayo, Choy! Allah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, puro Honda. Para, ay, natumba si Sanson. Sanson is down. La. Wow. Still leading Anton Cortez. Teka na. Villacorta. Oy, naon sa man eh. Naon sa ka.
Follow by Villacorta. Villacorta and Kawa Galila. Chavez and Dejan Adela. Right down. Yellow block. Palayo ka.
Wow.
Ano yung nila race track? Yapo.
Wow.
Cortez pa rin ang una.
Still on the lead, Anton Cortez. Second, it's McLaren Villacorta. Third, Kawa Galila. Fourth, Kobe Chavez. Picho Nadila. Si Hitoya. Sanson.
Villacorta.
Wow. Still on the lead, Anton Cortez.
Anton Cortez. Honda Philippines got the first.
Wow.
Second, Honda Philippines again. Villacorta. Third, Kawa Galila. Fourth, Chavez. Fifth, Dejan Adela.
Sumba. Tumayin lang. White flag.
Kawa Galila, fourth, Dejan Adela.
Still leading Anton Cortez, followed by McLaren Villacorta.
Good! Kaya nagpayong dia! Hey, palayong na ba? Kawan! Kaya nagpayong! Kaya nagpayong!
Estela on the lead. Anton Cortez waiting for checkered flag.
Congratulations.
Champion.
Hey, checkered flag for Anton Cortez.
Second, it's McLaren Villacorta.
Honda Philippines pa rin. First Honda Philippines, second Honda Philippines, third Kawa Galila, and fourth Buscan Ford, PG Nadella. PG Nadella po ng Ford.
Third, Kawa Ford.
Chavez,
Picho Nadella.
Kuya.
Checkered flag. And then Chome Chavez in Hitoya. Checkered flag.
Ford, Pedro, Chavez, and